Hello, Catherine. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website. It's a really nice website. Got a nice header, got a great logo, got your click to calls for your different locations, which is awesome. And then, of course, schedule consultation and all the different ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, all the different tiles you work with, which is awesome. And then going through reviews, wholesale, just going through the process about how you go about your services, which, gotta say, you do a really good job with that. You got a lot of nice pictures, got a lot of nice content. What Google is looking for, though, right now you have around 500 words of content. They are looking for that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content so you can get those organic keywords in there. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone would put into Google in order to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs. So first thing, you have your UR rating, which is the strength rating of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust. As you can see, 23 strength and 6 trust. What we're really looking for is between the 30s and 40s. That's the ideal spot for both of them to be in. The way you get those up are with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because that's extremely spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that is relevant to your services. And then those keywords. Those organic keywords, what buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check them out. So, going to be honest, you have Fayetteville pretty locked. Of course, this is you. Tile companies near me is very generic. As you can see, 5,400 people search that a month. That's across everyone who uses Google. Tile stores, Fayetteville, as you can see, you're number 2, so you're getting a little over 10% of that traffic. Ceramic tile store near me. That's unfortunate. Tile Incorporated, nope. Tile Installation, 50. You're in the top 3, so you're getting almost 10% of that traffic. So you are taking over as far as tile goes. So if we go tile stores, Fayetteville, North Carolina, as you can see, you're top in the Google Map Pack, which is awesome because 30 to 40% of all people stop here. And then you're also top in the organic ranking. So congratulations for Fayetteville, you're doing awesome. However, what I am going to say is you do have Aberdeen as well. And when I type that in, tile installation, or actually, yeah, tile installation, Aberdeen, North Carolina, as you can see, you are getting beat out by a couple of stores. So what I would say is whatever you're doing for your Fayetteville, because most of your keywords are for Fayetteville. I'm not sure if I'm even pronouncing that correctly. Fayetteville. So have another page. So just like what you're doing for Fayetteville, do it for Aberdeen and start ranking that as well. Because your website's good enough to rank it. Aberdeen's not a huge place. And so you'll be able to get to the top in both. And then, of course, that means more traffic for you. So that's it. Just keep doing what you're doing. Add some more content on so you can rank Aberdeen as well. And then, of course, you always want to add those backlinks because you don't want any competitor being able to creep up on you. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just reach back out to me. If not, you have a blessed rest of your day. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.